Okay, so here we have organic grass-fed beef, a chuck roast with organic minced garlic, organic cut fresh ginger, organic lemongrass, and Sichuan chili oil. We're going to cook that up low and slow for about maybe 5 hours, 6 hours, and I'll show you the product later. So now the meat has really become very tender and the water has condensed down. We will now shred it. So the meat has been shredded now, nice and brothy as well. Got the chunk of fresh ginger, this prig of lemongrass there. We will serve this over white, organic, non-GMO basmati rice. Alright, now it is pulled apart and served over the organic white basmati rice. Cooked it low and slow with garlic, ginger, and some good old salt. Just really turned out well with this Sichuan chili oil flake combination. And, smells absolutely wonderful. Mashallah.